Good morning. So the power just went out and I was in the middle of doing my laundry, so I put it all out here to dry, but the power just came back on, so now I guess I can go throw this in the dryer.
What's going on? What is going on? What is going on? What is going on?
U-turn.
Are we
See anything, Dennis?
are we sitting for gold? What is this supposed to be for food?
Civilian Conservation Coordinating Great Depression built most of the state parks in Alabama.
Do they all look like that?
It's really dark and steep. And I was just like, I want to go into this little room. I was like, it's a dark, barren room with nothing in it to sleep right now.
Yeah.
It's not very tall, though. Nothing.
Come on up,
Hey, Mom.
And we have to pay a quarter for I can see Mimi's house. 50 cents, I just paid for
2
this.
miles, Ridge Top, Thomas Water, 3 miles, Cookie
I made it.
Travis? That's the same.
No, I don't think you're reading it, I think you're just saying it. So then, like, deep breaths. Deep breaths.
Let me look. Oh, look at the view. Wow. It's a
Well,
can see quite far.
Mama, can we get a picture of that one for you?
Where are you going to get the light? Just, well, I don't have one of those maps, but I can probably tell you how to get it. All right, I'm going to take one more look around. I'm going to keep looking for Bald Rock. Because it looks like it's starting to go up, and over here it's just flat.
There's a little mountain peak over there.
Are we?
Way over there. See it, Roy, in the distance?
Yeah.
I think it's a jet. I think it's a jet here. See, this is what we're talking about. Over here. About that. Yeah.
So we just came to visit the highest point in Alabama, personally, I think. That's a little bit taller. All the way up there. Can you see it? As opposed to that. But it was still pretty cool. What is Travis doing?
Everybody in?
Hey, are y'all wanting to tell your water
Knock on wood, right?
I don't know. I said you'll be happy for the residual bug spray.
Give me the ball.
Travis.
Oh.
It goes down there, Travis. You remember where it's at. Getting it.
Hey, Dennis. Is Pub Mix the best trail mix in the world?
No.
What? What is?
Trail mix.
No, Pub Mix is the best. So this particular trail that we're doing has two options, I think. This one goes parallel with the main one. This one's accessible because my grandma is in a wheelchair, but I think that we can go down this way and we'll meet up at the same place. So today's the day that we're gonna spend kind of away from the cabin because it's supposed to be the last day before it starts raining tomorrow, Friday, Saturday. So today's Wednesday. So that's why we're out. Hiking, enjoying the sun and the scenery. And then I think today we're gonna go have lunch somewhere in this area, and then we're supposed to go to a brewery. But the thing is I forgot my ID for that. So I think I could still go, but I couldn't drink anything. The younger cousins are still on this little trail parallel to this one over here. And there's the rest of the family up there, taking their time on the boardwalk. Let me tell you what, I may live in Orlando, but this right here, this is what a vacation is to me.
Yeah, right here.
So this is it. Where's it at? How far? Much further?
I don't know. I think we're here.
I think we're pretty much here.
Down into the rocks. I want to take your picture. Their kids are over here.
Already?
Get down there, guys.
The stairs over there.
Go down the stairs, guys. Oh, no, it's on that bird.
Okay, I was like, this is kind of far away from the Appalachian Trail, though.
Careful. He'd have put like a couple of vests on here.
Oh.
Wow.
Super summer camp.
Careful, baby.
Nice. Look at that view.
So we're guessing that's north, so we're guessing that's Anniston.
Yeah, that's Pam said that's probably Armstrong over there.
This is awesome.
Did you get one of the sign already?
We're right on the edge here.
Turn around, Roy.
What do you think of this, Dennis? Was good.
You want to go with?
Yeah, we'll go.
Okay.
How did you go with them on the other trip?
It could be accurate.
You good? Yeah, we're good. All right. See at the top, Mama.
Hey, Mom, you having fun back there?
Awesome fun. I love hiking. Love hiking.
A little bit out of breath, though.
Well, I was mid-drink when you just started taking my picture.
Sorry. We're heading back to the car.
We're going downhill right now.
Yeah, it's pretty good. All right, who's gonna win? Is it Dad or Mom? Dad won. Darn it, Mom. I was counting on you to win. Go most anywhere to feel like I'm in love.
We know where to find them.
They're already here.
You okay?
What is this?
It's the ramp. It's not a very well cared for ramp.
Go, Ben.
Wow.
Somebody get a picture.
Are you gonna win that challenge?
Nice.
I don't care. I just hope that maybe he'll drive us. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I guess I shouldn't have participated in those loaded fries we had earlier. I knew his side was.
Now, from what I heard, this bar is an old train station. Which I could totally see. All right, we are heading on to another trail. Yay hiking. Where are we?
We're at Nakalula State Falls.
I can't hear you. Why are you going over to the trash can?
Because there's a thingy.
What's a thingy?
A map.
Show me. Nakalula Falls Park. So this monument is here to honor Nakalula, who was an Indian of the Cherokee tribe and who was promised to a Creek Indian, although she did not want to marry him because she was in love with a member of her own tribe. So instead of marrying him on their wedding day, she jumped to her death right here. And then this falls was renamed from the Black Hill Falls to the Nakalula Falls. All right, the three brothers are sitting in the three ancient sacrificial chairs. Now if we make a sacrifice right here on this pillar, what'll happen, Dennis?
We get transported to an alien world.
We get transported to an alien world.
Beautiful maiden, come be our sacrifice.
We want to try to find our way down there because there are some people down there, but there's no like trail down to the bottom of the falls. That's a cute little train. Oh, are we leaving? No waiting or swimming. I wonder why that is. Maybe it's the waterfall. All right, we walked over to the other side to see what it looks like from here. Wonder how they got down there. Wandering around, seeing if there's a way to get down there from up here.
Climb this way?
Well, there's a climbing that you have to climb. Going up. No, the boys can climb if they want right here.
All right, we found a way. We're gonna climb, Travis. You ready?
Yep.
Dennis? Christine?
We just talked and like an assembly line, like hand her down. Hey, love you. Don't what?
Christine still up here?
I'm here.
Yeah.
I might go
She's
down that
navigating.
way.
Yeah, you should. That's what I'm gonna do. It's at least,
Do you care if I go?
go for it. It's at least, have you guys done the Billy Goat Trail before?
No, what is that?
How was it, Dennis?
It's in Maryland.
Exhilarating. Might be able to cross over here somewhere.
This is the way down to the river.
So we made it down to the bottom of this mountain chasm. Now we just need to find our way over to the waterfall, I guess.
Someone's walking back.
Dennis and I are gonna go kind of along the cliff. The others went down to the river, and I think they're gonna walk along the river to try to get to the waterfall. Right, Dennis?
Yep.
Yep?
Yep. Yep.
Yep. What are we doing now?
I think we're gonna go down around to the back of the falls.
The back of the falls. The falls are right there. We can either go down right here or continue along this way and go behind it. We're gonna do that. Let's go. Oh. There are a bunch of girls over there, and we're almost there, almost right behind the waterfall. You coming, Denny? What? Oh, he's texting Travis. Careful. All right, this is something I would not recommend because everything here is very slippery and muddy and wet. Of course, as it would be behind a waterfall. So we're gonna take it very, very slow, but again, don't do this. Dang it, I slipped and I dropped my sunglasses in the mud. Thanks a lot, waterfall. Oh my God.
Hey dude, so we're both afraid of face planting right now.
Yeah, I already dropped my sunglasses in the mud, but that's okay. I don't know if you can hear me, but that's also fine. We wanted to really do something, get a cool picture down here, and then we're gonna go meet up with everybody else, I think over there. I don't really want to risk walking around this entire muddy area, do you?
No, but he does.
Yep. All right, so Travis and Rachel and Christine caught up with us. Now we're all taking pictures by the waterfall. So beautiful. All right, we're about to head back up. But why do people keep vandalizing stuff? Why is this a thing? Don't do that. Man, that makes me mad.
Christine dropped her sunglasses and then I was looking for him and I dropped mine.
You both dropped your sunglasses?
Yep, we're two peas in a pod.
Roy, what is this? These are Christine's sunglasses, and Dennis, where's Travis's? You already gave him. Oh, I already gave it to him? Oh, well, these are rescue sunglasses.
I want everyone to know that this is Dennis Hornsby and Roy Hornsby, heroes of the afternoon.
Yay. Maybe you're asking Dennis, hold on. You're gonna have to come backwards here.
Roy,
Very, very delicate here.
Roy has got those rock hard arms.
Need a hand, Dennis?
Dennis has got that rock hard booty.
You think they're not dismayed about not having you around?
Hey, my phone's pretty much dead.
Aladdin? We stopped off to get a little gas and get some slushies. Move it this way. You excited, Travis?
Yeah, I just don't want this to like pop all over my lap while I'm driving.
Uh-oh. Actually, it was just Travis who got the frozen drink. Dennis got a Gatorade, and then Christina and I got different kinds of Mountain Dews to try. We have a white label and a black label. The white label is what?
Mysteriously exotic dew.
Crafted tropical citrus, and then this is crafted dark berry. And that's mine. A Deepa Daka Dew. So we deduced that the white one tastes like Sprite, and then this one tastes kind of like a fruit punch slash Code Red combination. Pothole.
Yeah, what do we do for dinner tonight? Yeah.
And I'm eating my leftover mac and cheese. You can have some.
Can you actually stop right here, Trev? So they're driving away without me because I wanted to come over here and check out this little well. I think it's a well. This isn't really our property, so I don't want to get in trouble over here, but it doesn't look like there's anything down there. It looks like it's all sealed. But I think it was a well at one point, right? Doesn't that look kind of like a well? A well though, right? Sorry, a little bit tired because we've been kind of like driving a lot today. We drove like 45 minutes out to the first trail, then like 45 minutes to lunch, then like an hour to the waterfall, and then like 2 hours back. So we've been driving kind of a lot today. But now we're back. So right now we are enjoying some yellow watermelon, which I've never had before and I'm really excited about. Yellow watermelon. Watermelon that's yellow. Watermelon yellow.
Let's see, what have you got?
I think we had turkey. I think we had. I think we had PB&J.
Turkey?
I think so. Yeah. We have turkey and PB&J. Which one would you like?
Okay, turkey.
Turkey. Would you like some mayonnaise on it?
Yeah, you have some turkey?
Yeah, I think so. Would you like mayonnaise?
Yeah, mayonnaise.
Okay, so turkey and mayonnaise sandwich. With some, whatever else we have on it.
That'd be great. Okay.
Okay, good.
This camera doesn't really capture nighttime that well, but right now the sky is red and pink and it just looks beautiful. I came down to the dock down here because it's supposed to rain tomorrow, I think. So I'm just gonna tie down some of this stuff and fold up some of the chairs and floats that we have down here. But man, this shot right here, I wish it did it a little more justice, but look how reflective the water is, man. This is beautiful.
Crickets? Nothing on the table, nothing on the table. Come to find out, there's a box of crackers out there.
U15.
So now, I'm left with this situation.
And then longest road is next.
San Francisco to Sault Ste. Marie for 17.
Stuck with it for 24, and we had
Gee whiz.
10. So that's
And San Francisco to Atlanta for 17.
not enough. What'd you have? What'd you guys have
17
together?
more?
Yeah.
20?
Or no, 14, sorry, plus 6, which is 20.
That's 206.
Yep. I'm out.
That's a record.
I don't think it is. I think Christine still
So
holds
you
the
had
record.
I would have put it underneath.
Yeah, I know. I was just trying to. So you light this thing? I just don't want to burn myself. I'm not familiar with these at all.
Oh, is that a fire starter?
Yeah, go for those leaves, it'll start.
No, like I said, they go out pretty quick here, huh?
That's why you gotta get it from underneath. We gotta let it burn, let it breathe for a second.
There's plenty of little sticks, Travis. Oh, Travis.
Travis, after much strained effort and deliberation, we have started a fire. And now I need to go get some water just in case, because you always gotta be prepared for stuff. All right, we are really going now. That's beautiful.
Come down here.
Okay, that's what she's doing. She said maybe I'll come down later. That's what Dad said too. Okay.
Oh, that's it.
Right, the baby monitor works out here. That was actually an accidental situation. Okay. Yeah,
Been there, done that.
Been there, done.
Well,
Two
then
times
you know what
that.
that means then.
Yeah.
Don't put out anybody's eye, Dad. That's all we need.
I lost by 2 points, and 21-19 in Thriller.
All right, okay. So,
Good match. Get on your knees. I anoint the King of Ping. Rise. Cool.
He's only gonna rain until my next game.